Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Meow.
Hey, News Explorers, it's Big Brain. Welcome to episode 50, our super special Big 50 episode. Today we've got planet clues, genius inventions, and real-life nature heroes. If you're curious about the world, you're already winning. Whoa! What if you helped your whole community by protecting nature, and then the world gave you a giant high five for it? That's the idea behind the Goldman Environmental Prize, and the 2026 winners were announced on April 20th, 2026. This year, all 6 winners are women! These winners are known for grassroots work, which means they're not just talking about problems, they're doing hands-on work right where they live, like rolling up sleeves, meeting neighbors, and making plans that actually happen. Think of the environment like a huge shared backyard. If someone keeps the water clean, the air fresh, and the land healthy, it helps people and animals too. Community leaders might help protect forests, rivers, coastlines, or safe places for wildlife to live. Sometimes they work with science, sometimes with community plans or fair rules that protect nature, and sometimes with clever teamwork, like organizing people the way a coach organizes a team. And here's the coolest part. Prizes like this don't just celebrate the winners. They also shine a spotlight, so more people learn what's working and can copy good ideas in other places. It's like discovering a great recipe and then sharing it with everyone.
Okay, kids, time for the next story!
Okay, Brain Blaster question. What if Mars once had an ocean and it left a giant water line on the planet, like a ring on a bathtub? Scientists have spotted a huge rocky edge on Mars that looks like the kind of mark water can leave behind after sitting for a long time. On Earth, you might see a faint line in a tub or a lake shoreline where water levels used to be. On Mars, this ring would be enormous, because Mars is enormous. Now, this doesn't automatically prove there was an ocean. Scientists treat clues like detectives. They ask, does the shape match what waves could do? Does the rock look like it was changed by water? Are there other signs nearby, like old river channels or minerals, special rock ingredients, that form when water is around? If Mars really stayed wet for a long time, that's exciting, because water is like the super useful ingredient for life as we know it. Water helps move nutrients around, and it can be a cozy home for tiny living things, like how ponds on Earth can be full of microscopic, too tiny to see, life. So this rocky ring is like Mars whispering, "Hey, I might have had a watery past." And humans are listening with robots, telescopes, and lots of careful thinking.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Have you ever looked at a chair and thought, how did someone even imagine that? Well, in Milan, Italy, there's a whole festival for that. The Milan Design Festival is happening April 20th to 26, 2026, as part of Milan Design Week. Designers show ideas for homes, cities, and everyday objects, like lamps, furniture, and materials that could change how things feel and work. When people say new materials, they might mean stuff that's lighter but still strong, surfaces that are easier to clean, or bio-based, made from plants, materials made from plants instead of oil. Some materials can even be smart, meaning they react to light, heat, or touch. Kind of like a mood ring, but for buildings and objects. Design isn't only about looking cool. It's also about solving puzzles. How can a city stay comfortable when it's hot? How can we use less stuff and make less waste? How can an object be repaired instead of tossed? So design festivals are like giant imagination playgrounds for grown-ups, except the playground equipment is made of creative prototypes. test versions, and the prize is better ideas for everyone. And who knows? Your future invention might start with a sketch on a napkin today. That's our kid-sized tour of today's world. Nature heroes, Mars clues, and imagination-powered design. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!